In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello username. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change across your boards, all without losing your place or wondering what to do next. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to update. Once Trello loads, look to the top right corner of the page for your account avatar or initials. That's your account menu. Click it to open your account options. From the drop-down that appears, choose Profile and Visibility. This takes you into the area where your public details live, including your display name, bio, and the username we're going to change. On the Profile and Visibility page, you may see that section listed again inside your account settings. Go ahead and click Profile and Visibility there as well to open the profile editor fully. Now find the field labeled Username. Click into that field to start editing. Type the new username you want to use. Trello will check in real time to make sure your choice is available and valid. Keep it simple and easy to recognize, avoid spaces, and remember that usernames must be unique. If the one you entered is taken, try a small variation, like adding a short word or a number that still looks professional and is easy to share. When your new username looks good and Trello shows it as available, click Save. This applies the change to your account. After saving, close the profile editing panel by clicking the X in the corner. That takes you out of the editor and back to your account area or the previous screen you were viewing. If you decide you want to tweak the username again right away, no problem. Click the username field again, type your updated choice, and click Save one more time to confirm. Then close the editor by clicking the X. If you see another panel still open, close that as well with its X so you're fully back to Trello. Next, navigate to one of your existing boards to verify the update visually. Open any board you use regularly. Once you're on the board, click your account avatar in the top right corner. In the small profile summary that appears, you'll see your new username reflected. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a quick refresh and it should appear. Your boards, cards, and activity stay exactly the same. Only your username and the public profile link associated with it are updated. A few quick tips while you're here. Choose a username that you're comfortable sharing with teammates and clients, especially if your boards are part of a workspace with multiple collaborators. If the name you want is taken, try a clean variation that keeps your identity clear and consistent. Also, be mindful that changing your username may update the URL for your profile, so if you've shared that link elsewhere, you might want to update it after you're done. That's the full process. Open Trello, click your account menu, go to Profile and Visibility, edit your username, save, and close the editor. If you want to adjust it again right away, repeat the edit and save steps once more, then close any open panels. Finally, open a board you use and check your account menu to confirm your new username is live. It's a quick change that can make your profile look more polished and easier to find. Thanks for following along. If this walkthrough helped, take a moment to finalize a username you'll be happy with long term. And remember, you can always come back to the same profile and visibility area to update it again in the future.